Hello everybody and welcome to Phonics Online. This is our phase 2 edition and this is me again, Miss Kershaw, and this is me, Miss Kershaw. Hello, lovely to be with you this morning. Now let's get on with our lesson. That as usual you are going to need your whiteboard, you're going to need your pen, you're going to need a rubber and your phase 2 phonics mat. Okay, make sure you have those things with you and we will get started. Okay, again we are learning 3 sounds today. We are learning the P sound, the I sound and the N sound. Okay, so let's start with writing the P sound on our whiteboards, please. So P, here we go. See, I'm going over it with my pencil here, the P sound. I just want you to write the sound to start with. Okay, and there you can see it there. Check how well you did. Okay, and then the I sound, I. The vowels have very similar sounds, so you have to listen closely to it. I. Okay, have a go at writing it on your whiteboard as well, please. Okay, and the last sound that we're learning today is the N sound. N. Okay, have a go at writing that as well on your whiteboard. So you've got your 3 sounds at the top of your whiteboard and you can use them in the lesson today. Okay, so just like our last lesson, we're just going to start by saying some words that begin with our sound. That's what we call the initial sound. So the initial sound in all of these words is P. Okay, can you say them? Say them out loud. Okay, here we go. So we have pen, we have pin, we have pumpkin, we have popcorn, and we have Pikachu or Pokemon. Okay, I hope you said all of those words and see the P sound is at the beginning of all of them. All right, moving on to I. This is the letter I that makes the I sound. So first of all, we have an igloo. We have ink, ink that you put into pens. We have an ice cream, and we have Instagram. All of those start with the I sound. You'll notice that ice cream starts with an I rather than an I, but that is still this sound. Okay, we'll learn how I can make a different sound sometimes later on in the program, but for now we're going to use it as I. Okay, then we're moving on to N, the N sound. So we've got 4 pictures here, all of them beginning with the N sound. Okay, we have nut, nut. We have ninja. We have nose. And we have numbers. So I hope you all said those words out loud and can recognize the initial sound. So the initial sound is the one that is in the beginning. All of these start with P, all of these start with I, and all of these start with N. Okay, good job. All right, so now we are going to have a go at using using the sounds that we've learned to make some actual words. So we have the S, we have the P, we have I, A, T, and N. They're the ones we learned yesterday, and they're the ones that we are learning today. So I'm just going to get us a clock up here, because what I want you to do now is I want you to just take 1 minute, and I want you to, I'm going to put the clock here. I just want you to take 1 minute, and I want you to have a go at seeing okay, set to 1 minute, have a go what sounds you can make using what words you can make using these letters. Off you go. So you can write them on your whiteboard. You've got 6 sounds. What words can you make with those 6 sounds? Okay, you've got 20 seconds to go now. I and a are the vowel sounds. Most words have to have a vowel sound. Okay, there we go. That's our minute up. And let's have a look. Okay, did you make any of these words here? Okay, so you can see them here at the top. Sat, tap, pin, at, it, in, sit, and nap. Have a look to see if you got any of those, and if you did you spell them correctly? Excellent job if you did. Okay, we're going to take 3 of those words now, and we are going to see if we can write them out and spell them correctly. So we're going to start with the word nap. Nap. First of all, so we're going to sound it out. So put your hands together. Let's start by sounding it out. P. Nap. See the sounds that my voice makes? P. 3 sounds. Have a go at writing it. And there we go. There is the word nap on the end here. P. Did you do that one correctly? Nap. Excellent job if you did. Okay, we're going to move on to doing the word sit. Sit. Let's sound it out together. Okay, put your hands together to sound out the word sit. S-I-T. Sit. Okay, there we go. Sit. Let's do it with our sounds. S-I-T. Sit. 3 sounds in the word sit. Have a go at doing that one on your whiteboard. Okay, there it is. If you did that, see if you spelled it correctly. S-I-T. Sit. Excellent. And the last word that we're going to try to do is using all of our new sounds of the day, and that is pin. Pin. So let's sound out the word pin together. Let's put our hands together. Ready? P-I-N. Pin. Okay, that is the word pin. Let's do our sounds. P-I-N. Pin. See if you can write that on your whiteboard. Okay, have a look if you wrote the word pin on your whiteboard. There it is. P-I-N. Pin. Okay, well done if you spelled all those words correctly. Excellent job for you. Okay, we have a task now. I'm going to give you 1 more minute to complete your task. Here is our timer. We're going to go again with our timer. So we're going to go for 1 minute. Let me get this timer ready for you. So we're not going to do 50 seconds. We're going to do for 1 minute. What I want you to do in that 1 minute is you will notice that some of the words that we have sounded out today have 3 sounds, and some of the words have 2 sounds. Just want you guys to have a go at sorting them. So on your whiteboard, you can write a 2 and you can write a 3, and underneath the 2 and the 3 you can write all the words that have 2 sounds and all the words that have 3 sounds. Okay, there's our timer. Okay, I'm just going to show you here what you can have at the top there. So 2 sounds, 3 sounds. Write that on your whiteboard and then put these sounds in the correct column. Okay, Quite simple. Each letter in these words is making one sound. So the letters are telling you how many sounds. Okay, that's your 30 seconds gone. I'm really enjoying skateboarding with my skunk here. Using my sound, skateboarding with a skunk. Okay, couple of seconds. Fabulous. Okay, let's see how you did. Right, here we go. So underneath here, I can reveal to you. Here are our 2 sound words, at, it, and in. And our 3 sound words, sat, tap, pin, sit, and nap. Okay, well done to you. Give yourself a house point if you manage to get all of those in the correct order. Well done to you. Okay, well done. That's everything we have time for today. Good job from everybody. I hope you were checking your spellings and you saw that you were spelling the words correctly. If not, it's totally fine. When I reveal the right word on the board, just have a look and see where you went wrong there. That's all part of how we learn. Okay, remember to look for some of the words in your book and to have a go at writing them. All right, well done from today. It's goodbye. Goodbye, and I will see you soon. Enjoy the rest